Time to price a job? Go to Estimates, then Create Estimate, and pick your path. Upload the floor plans, and the AI measures the rooms, walls, doors, and windows for you. Or start from a written scope, and it suggests the recipes to price it. Attach it to the job, tell it the build type, single, double, or triple story, and upload your plans. From there, the AI drafts your line items, and every price comes from the rates you loaded earlier. Your numbers, not a national average. Whichever path you take, here's where you land. A structured estimate. Every trade category, every line item, quantities and rates, all in one place and all adjustable. And the bit that protects your business. Your markup sits on top, and you can see cost, margin, and sell price side by side as the total builds. No more guessing whether a job's actually profitable. Save it, and it lives in saved estimates, ready to revisit, duplicate for the next similar job, or turn into a quote when you win the work. A fully priced job in minutes on your numbers. Next up, estimate templates.